Hello everyone. For traders who do not understand how to use the Martingale yet, then we're gonna explain it properly over here in this video. So you are live with me now at our morning session, and I'm going to be explaining more and more on how you can trade as a novice or as just a beginner. So we're currently searching for an opportunity, and I'm just switching from one currency pair to the other. I think we are going to be going with USD IDR, but the movement is not really clear yet. So we're just gonna wait patiently while we get a clear movement, and we are going to enter the trade. Hello brother, we got an opportunity with USD IDR. Go check it out. There should be a buy trade over here. 306 call. Okay, we already dropped the signal on our channel, as you can see, and that is USD IDR 306, and it's gonna be a call trade. You already know how you can select your currency pair, so if you've not watched the previous video, I'm just going to advise you to go ahead and watch it right now. So we must have dropped the signal into our Telegram channel like about a minute before the entry time. So you just need to watch this time countdown, and once this countdown has finished, that means your entry time is already here. You can watch it up here. This is 305, and boom, we now click on the up button because it's already 306. Okay, so of course, you know that if your chart stays above this your entry time, then it means you win the trade. But if it stays below, then it means you lost the trade. Okay, so now the countdown has not finished yet. That means the trade is currently ongoing. Now we have a green line over here, and that means you click on the up button, that is the buy button. So already you should increase your capital for the first martingale. Whether you are losing or you are winning, you should increase your capital for the first martingale, because you never can tell what the chart is going to say in the next 2 seconds. So the movement can actually change in any direction. So now I already prepared for my first martingale if I happen to lose this first entry, and my first martingale happened to be $300 because I used 100 US dollars for my first entry. Okay, so you can multiply yours by 2 and multiply mine by 3. So if you multiply yours by 2, then your 10 US dollar can be 20 US dollars for the first martingale. So it depending on how much you traded with for your first entry. So we want this one directly, and that's how we drop the direct win results for this particular trade. Okay, so now we are going for the second signal. Hey bro, we got another opportunity. USDT ROI. There should be a sell trade over here. 311. We should have a sell trade. 311. Put. All right, we already have the signal here, and I just hope we have a martingale opportunity here so that I'm going to use it to explain exactly how the martingale works. The time countdown is about to complete now, and that means we're going to have our entry time. Puts. Okay, you should know that if the chart stays above your entry time until the countdown finish, then it means you lost, but if it stays below, then it means you win. So now you have the red line because you click on down. We are still currently winning this, but regardless, I'm going to increase my capital for the first martingale in case if we later have a loss on the first entry, then my first martingale is definitely going to save me up. Okay, so now I'm going to use multiply by 2 of my first entry capital. That's going to be $20. So depending on how you want to manage your money, you can even multiply your first entry capital by 1.5. And that means if you traded with 10 US dollars, then your first martingale can be 15 US dollars. So you are still going to make profit at the end of the trade. This happens to be a direct win as well. And now we're dropping the results into our Telegram channel. When you have any win, you should already return your capital back to your initial entry capital. That is maybe your $5 or your $2 or your $10. So now we're currently searching for another entry opportunity. Bro, USD INR, there should be a call trade, 315. So we just clicked on call right now, and let's see if we are going to win this. So I just hope we lost this on the first entry. So we are going to explain the first martingale and the second martingale if possible. But once you understand the first martingale, then the second martingale is not going to be a problem. Okay, so the second martingale is just because you lose the first martingale. Before you be able to have the second martingale, then you need to lose the first martingale first. I already got prepared for my first martingale right now because the first entry is getting to be a loss. All right, I just entered my first martingale because once the countdown for the first entry has completed, then that is when you are going to enter your first martingale immediately once you discover that the first entry countdown has completed. So the first martingale is currently loading right now, and if we win it, then it means we are good to go. We do not need the second martingale, but for the purpose of the second martingale, of course you need to get set for it as well, and that is going to be your first martingale capital multiply by 2. Yours can be multiplied by 1.5. It all depends on how you want to manage your capital. Like I said, everybody have their own trading strategy. I'm currently teaching you my own, but you can develop your own by yourself. I'm getting prepared for my second martingale already. So if this first martingale happens to be a loss now, I'm going to enter my second martingale. Alright, I think we won the first martingale, and that means we do not need the second martingale. But I believe you now understand the second martingale as well. Because we won this on the first martingale, then the result is going to be win 1. Okay, and that's how we are going to have it on our Telegram channel. So anytime you see win raised to power 1, then it means we won that trade on the first martingale. But when you see win raised to power 2, then it means we won that trade on the second martingale. But if you see a direct win, then it means we won that trade directly without a martingale. First of all, if you are on our Telegram channel, please make sure you click on the name of the channel up here. If you have this section like this particular icon, that means you've muted our channel. Please click on it so you can unmute it. If you want to make deposits in order to start trading, quite very easy. Click on the deposit button up here. Then you're going to see some options, the crypto option, and you're going to see the banks option. So if you want to use the bank method to make your payments for faster transaction, and for Nigerians who doesn't know about crypto, then you can actually go ahead and use bank transfer. So right here you are going to see the option that says deposit amount. So you want to put in the amounts which you want to deposit. So the minimum for this section is $12 US, and you can actually insert that right here and click on pay now down below. So you are going to see the button down below. So if you actually have a promo code that you can use that is going to give you bonus, then you can use it. And by default, there are a list of promo codes over here. If you click on the bonus code box, you are going to see 30% bonus for $70 upward, 40% for $80, 50% for $100, and 60% for $150, right? Whenever I have a bonus code, I'm going to let you know on our Telegram channel, and that is why you need to stay very active, because each bonus code have their expiring time. So if I drop any bonus code, you need to use it on time. Okay, so this is the exact amount you are going to transfer now. You're going to see the bank account number and the name of the bank, and of course the name that is going to be on the account. This is the exact amount you need to transfer in order to have that $12 on your balance which you want to deposit. So once you've completed the transfer from your bank account, now click on this button that says I have made a transfer. If you want to use the crypto option, you are going to see cryptocurrency right here, and you can use Binance Pay if you use Binance, but Binance is not supported in Nigeria now. That means we want to use USDT TRC20. And from this page, you need to put in the amount you want to deposit, $10 at minimum, and you're going to click on the button that follows. So you're going to see a button that says copy address. So you want to copy that address, go over to your wallet, maybe your Bybit, your Trust wallet, or any other crypto wallet, transfer the exact amount that you want to recharge, maybe $10. Then you want to go ahead and wait patiently while they confirm that payment, as you can see over here. So they are going to confirm it automatically, but if you think it's taking too long, then go back to your dashboard and refresh. You are going to have your money down there. So I believe this video really helps. If you have any further question, please don't forget to contact our support team. I'm going to have the link to contact us in the description of this particular video right here under this video.